Wanna know how to enable AgentGPT to collect information or collect sources from different agents or different sources? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. That is collecting information through various sources from the internet in just a single video in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, so simply open up your AgentGPT application and you should be right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. That's on our channel. So once you're here, just simply type in your name of your AgentGPT. So I'm just going to name your channel only. You can just simply name it anything that you want and just simply paste this prompt right here. So collecting information about a topic from multiple sources. So the topic should be, in this video I'm going to show esports. Now for more accuracy on the tools right here, just simply select that and make sure your search is on right here. And once that is done, just simply select close and simply select play. And once that is done, your code should be played and it should collect information from various sources for you. As you can see right here, it's being executed, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.